You can earn by posting about MetaEarth, and no, you don't need to be an influencer or a KOL. Hi everyone, it's Irene here. Welcome to the Show the E Airdrop tutorial. MetaEarth just launched the new Show the E campaign, a social media activity that allows the community to earn more MEC while spreading the MetaEarth core missions: equality, ecology, and earth. That's what the E stands for. It's both meaningful and rewarding. Today I'll teach you the easiest way to join in, the photo task. Just follow along and you'll earn 0.1 MEC daily every month. First, let's take the photos. Find a landmark in your city, mall entrances, park sculpture, anything that works, just like this one I made. Make the E gesture and don't forget to smile. Important notes: you must take 2 photos. You can't move on if you are missing even one. Look at the example here. 2 photos from different angle. Once you have your photos, go to the Me Pass to get these 2 things. Open Me Pass, tap Explore, and at the top find the Show the E event. Tap Participate in the activity. Then tap Download Show the E poster. The invitation code on the poster is super important, so save it and don't delete it. Now let's post on Instagram. Step 1. Upload 3 things: 2 e-gesture photo and 1 Show the E poster. You can't miss any of these. The step 2 is to paste the caption. Go to the Me Pass to copy the official template and change your city and your country region to your own, like I filmed with Dubai, UAE. Step 3. Tag people, 2 friends, and of course our MetaEarth account. Add all the hashtags that there are in the caption, like MetaEarth, crypto, airdrop, and so on. Just copy and paste them. Now, after posting, you need to get 100 likes. Share the post to your WhatsApp, Telegram friends group and ask for like. I got over 100 likes for my post this way. Remember, you have to hit 100 likes within the first month. It won't count if you are late. Once you have 100 likes, take screenshot right away. Don't use scrolling screenshots. Take multiple screenshots if you need to, but make sure you have 3. The first one should clearly show the E gesture. The second one, show the E poster with your invitation code. And the third one is the most important. It must include the full caption plus invitation code plus 100 likes. If you're missing any of these, your submission won't pass the review. Last step, of course, the submission. Open Me Pass, find Show the E, tap Submit for review, and select Show the E photo. First, check off all the requirements one by one. Select Instagram as the platform. Upload the 3 screenshots and paste the post link. Before submitting, test the link yourself to make sure it works. Also, this submission is on-chain, so you'll need a small amount of MEC for gas fee. Make sure you top up in advance. Now, you're all set. Once your submission is approved, you'll get 0.1 MEC next month. Super easy, right? Go take photos at your favorite landmark and show off the Me My Way.